Looking to enhance your capabilities in Primavera software? Elevate your project management skills with DRMcNatty's P6 Professional Fundamentals Training Course. Experience interactive online training with certified Primavera instructors. Our curriculum mirrors Oracle Primavera's lab-based courses, saving you time and cost while providing real-time, high-touch training. Enjoy flexibility and reduce travel expenses with our state-of-the-art virtual platform. And the best part? You receive a certificate of completion from a well-trusted Oracle partner. DRMcNatty has developed an interactive web-based training curriculum that can be delivered by our team of Oracle Primavera certified trainers. Our virtual online training courses, led by our senior Primavera instructors, are delivered live in a fully interactive online environment and will take you through a step-by-step guide of the fundamentals of Oracle Primavera P6 in just 2 days. Day 1 covers P6 navigation, project schedules, work breakdown structure, adding activities and relationships, and schedule calculations. Day 2 dives into custom layouts, schedule optimization, baselines, progress updates, and report modules. In just 2 days, our course puts you on the path to successful project management. To find out more, scan the QR code on the screen or go to our website. DRMcNatty. Technology for managing projects.